Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass on your Roblox account. Now, if you're in the home page, you might click on the Create tab. Once you're there, you might see a Start Creating button, and below it is Manage My Experiences. So you might click on that. Once you're there, you're in the Creations dashboard and you can see your place. Now, every Roblox user has its own place, so you can create one if you want to. So click on your place and you'll have an overview of your place. So go to the left side and click on the associated items. Now you may see three things: the badges, passes, and developer products. So you click on the passes. You can see a game pass there and click create a pass. Now you may be asked to upload an image for your game pass. Any photo will do, and create a name. And you may also add a description. Then click create pass afterward. And your pass has been successfully created. Click on your pass, go to the basic settings page and click on sales on the left side. You may click on the button that says item for sale. Now you are pricing your game pass, so you make sure you earn enough since creator earnings got 70%. So once you set in a price, you may click on save changes. Now back to associated items, you can see that your game pass has already have a price. Go to please donate. Now once you're in the server, you may go and find a stand. Once you get a stand, you may press E to claim. Once you claim your stand, you can see the prices of your game pass you created. You might press E on the stand. So you can also add a text for your stand. You can put please donate and click apply. And that's it. You have successfully created a Game Pass on your Roblox account. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!